If you are trying to propagate a succulent for the first time and a bit nervous and confused about how to start, then this video will help you. Because in this video, I'm going to share an easy way to propagate succulents. Hello plant lovers, I'm Nishat from Plantalogy. Succulents are very easy to propagate through their leaves. So in this video, I'm going to share the entire succulent leaf propagation process with an update. So let's begin. For the leaf propagation, first of all, collect some healthy and mature leaves from a succulent. Remove the leaves by gently twisting them as I'm showing, and they will pop right off. Make sure to remove the entire leaf from the main stem. If the leaf breaks or rips, it won't able to grow roots and pups. Here is an example of a clean break and an example of a torn leaf. So here, I have collected some healthy mature leaves from my succulents. And now, these need to be calloused over the end of each leaf. So set them in a bright spot for 1 to 2 days so the ends can callus. Now, after 1 day, here all my leaves formed callus and ready to plant. Make sure each leaf ends are dried properly. Otherwise, it will rot by absorbing moisture once planted in the soil. Here, I have taken a clean glass and filled it with growing media. As growing media, I used an equal mixture of white sand and coco peat. Then simply lay the leaves on the top of the media as I'm doing. You can lay the leaves straight or upside down on the media. Then water them properly. You can water them by spray bottle or by using a syringe as I'm doing. Make sure your pot has drainage holes at the bottom. My pot doesn't have drainage holes, so I have to be careful about watering. During the leaf propagation, you need to be watered more frequently than the normal succulents. Whenever the soil surface is feeling dry, give them water, but avoid making the soil soggy. Place the pot in a spot where leaves will get indirect bright light. And that's it. It will take few weeks to months to develop roots and form babies. So about 2 months back, I tried to propagate some leaves from a graftosedum and every single leaf forms babies. Now transplant the baby succulents when these leaves are dry as you can see here. So the pups will able to absorb enough energy and will grow strong. Take out the baby succulents very gently from the media and plant them individually. And then you can treat them like normal succulents. See how easy to propagate succulents? Share your experience in the comment below and support this channel by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.